Hey all, welcome back. I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I seem to say that a lot, but hey. I wanted to look at one of the first open source operating systems that I ever used. Now, the first one I ever used was RedHat 7.1, but I couldn't actually get that installed. So instead, I'm going to look at one that I subsequently used, maybe a year or two later, which was RedHat 9. That's the earliest one I can get installed on any of my hardware. Been a royal pain in the bottom. But there we go. So RedHat 9, it's up and running in a VM. Couldn't get it installed on bare metal, which is a shame. It would have been nice to have seen what its performance was like, but there we go. So yeah, here it is. So let's have a look at it. It came with a set of options that you chose when installing, which basically you could set it up as a desktop, a workstation, a server, or you could customize it to your own needs. Now, this one is just set up as a workstation. I used to install it as a server. So let's have a look at what we got. Wow. Mozilla 1.2.1. Look at that. Which does give me a bit of a problem. So watch this. Yeah. Certificates are not liked on this. But interestingly, it'll take me to Google. Oh, it's Bastille Day. Take me to Wikipedia. No, it won't. I mean, there's a good reason for this, of course. Security has moved on since we used this. Does leave me a little bit with nothing to look at. Interestingly, I can't see anything. We can't go to anything. Yeah, so that's unfortunate, but it's not exactly unsurprising. I'm not at all surprised by that. It's a shame. It would have been nice to have at least checked out YouTube. There we go. So we had an IRC client. I wonder if any of these servers are still actually running. Right, nickname. Right, that's interesting. Let's try something a bit more realistic then. Okay. Show me channels, please. See, this is how long it's been since I used IRC. I can't even remember how to do anything. Yeah. Never mind. Anywho, not really what I'm here for. So the interesting thing is, this used to run so smoothly on my old PC that I had in my bedroom. Look at that. The Linux kernel 2.4.20-8. Just mental. Mental that this still works, to be honest. So what else have we got? Well, it comes with a few accessories, which we don't really need to worry about. It does come with a decent text editor. gedit. It's been around a long time. This is back in the day when GNOME was quite usable. But this is what cracked me up. Let's whack everything up. So I go back to system settings. It detected my hardware quite nicely. That's just amazing. And interestingly, it picked up the right date as well, which is quite strange. But that doesn't even exist anymore. How are they? Should we have a look at that? I can't even remember how to get to the firewall. Never mind. Not an issue. But it works. It works really well. I mean, this feels really, even by modern standards, this feels quite hippie. You know, XMMS. Print manager. Got some games installed. Yeah. Yeah. Madness. This brings back some memories. It really does. It's just a shame that because it's so old, it doesn't actually see the update servers anymore. Or the update servers have been taken offline, which would not surprise me. You've got Open Office. Can you imagine? Open Office 1. Just madness. Beep. There we go. So this is, as I say, one of the first OSs that I used outside of the Windows environment. I think I was probably running Windows 2000 back at this point. Great fun. Great fun. And this desktop, simple though it may be, functional it was, and smooth. And this is, like I said, this is back when GNOME was good. So, yeah. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. Appreciate you taking the time to take a look with me. Bit of a nostalgia feel to this one. Do apologise for that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out the Discord server in the link below. Down there. Subscribe. Click on the bell icon and get notifications of when I release new videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.